Hey guys, I'm Joe Castillo, here with the Climblife tips and tricks. I'm the owner of Climblife and I've been climbing for over 10 years. Today on Tips and Tricks, we are going to show you how to campus. Anybody can campus, it just takes some time and some practice. Let me show you with 3 easy steps. Before any workout, make sure you always warm up. Now, let's go to the campus. This is the campus board. We are gonna do 1 rep and 3 sets. So 1 rep is all the way up, all the way down. And I'm gonna show you kind of like the technique for this. So you start match hands, both on, take your feet off, and then you wanna go very slow and in control and lock everything and hold it. So, slow, control, lock, lock. That was 1 set. Now we got 2 more sets, and then we'll show you the next campus drill. We are going to be moving on to the next drill, which is the max reach campus. So you go as far as you can, come back down, far as you can, come back down. And the tip for this is be explosive. Go as hard as you can, fire as far as you can. If you fall, don't worry about it. Just get right back into it and do it for about 30 to 60 seconds. So let me show you just as far as you can go. And then just come back down, and that's 1 set. And we'll do 2 more sets and we'll move on to the next drill. And watch out for flappers. This is a normal process when you work out really hard. Campusing, everybody gets it. Professional, beginner climbers. So don't let this discourage you. Just either tape it up or keep on going, you know? So the last drill is the campus dyno. That's where you go up and then back down with both hands. So the tip for this is it's all about coordination. So when you jump up, you grip. I'm going to show you 1 set really quick. And that's 1 set.